cheeky one. J. His game had lots of fun. Patsy pulls a